Have you ever wondered how to make money online as a virtual assistant? Well, let's dive into the world of virtual assistants, a booming industry where savvy individuals offer their expertise and services from the comfort of their own homes, or anywhere in the world really. A virtual assistant, often referred to as a VA, is a professional who provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. Imagine being the right-hand person to a busy entrepreneur, a helping hand to a small business owner, or an extra set of eyes and ears for a team spread across different time zones. That's the life of a virtual assistant. Now, what kind of tasks might a virtual assistant undertake? The list is as varied as it is long. A VA might manage calendars, ensuring that appointments are scheduled and that everyone is where they need to be when they need to be there. They might conduct research, diving into the depths of the internet to gather information on any number of topics. Writing is often a key part of a VA's role. Whether it's drafting emails, creating content for a website, or editing a report, a virtual assistant needs to have a way with words. Responding to emails is another typical task. A VA might manage an inbox, sorting emails, responding to queries, and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Scheduling meetings, making travel arrangements, event planning, marketing, data entry. These are just some of the many tasks a virtual assistant might handle. It's a role that requires adaptability, a keen eye for detail, and the ability to juggle multiple tasks at once. The virtual assistant is the glue that holds things together, the wizard behind the curtain, making sure everything runs smoothly. But remember, every virtual assistant's role is different, designed to suit the needs of the particular client or business they're supporting. It's a job that can be tailored to your skills, interests, and lifestyle. So in essence, a virtual assistant is a multi-talented professional capable of managing a multitude of tasks remotely. Now that you know what a virtual assistant does, it's time to assess your skills and strengths. A big part of becoming a successful virtual assistant is recognizing what you're good at and honing those skills. First off, let's talk about tech. Virtual assistants often need to be adept with various computer software and programming. Are you comfortable navigating through spreadsheets on Excel? Can you create a compelling presentation on PowerPoint? Or perhaps you're a whiz at coding? These are all valuable skills in the world of virtual assistants. Next, consider your editorial and writing skills. Many virtual assistants are tasked with drafting emails, writing reports, or even creating content. If you've got a knack for the written word, this could be your ticket in. Remember, clear and effective communication is vital in this role, so if you're a wordsmith, you're already ahead of the game. Now let's talk about organization and time management. As a virtual assistant, you'll likely be juggling various tasks for different clients. Can you keep track of deadlines without breaking a sweat? Are you able to prioritize tasks efficiently? If you're nodding your head, then this might just be the career for you. Speaking of juggling tasks, let's not forget about communication skills. You'll be liaising with clients, coordinating with other team members, and often serving as the first point of contact. So if you're an effective communicator, you're already one step closer to becoming a successful virtual assistant. But it's not just about identifying your current strengths. It's also about continuously improving your skills and learning new ones. The world of virtual assistants is vast and ever-changing. So whether it's taking an online course to boost your tech skills or reading up on effective communication strategies, there's always room for growth. Remember, being a successful virtual assistant means leveraging your strengths and continuously improving your skills. So take a good look at what you bring to the table and don't be afraid to keep learning and evolving. After all, your skills and strengths are your biggest assets in this exciting journey towards becoming a virtual assistant. Once you're aware of your strengths and skills, it's time to set up your virtual office. You'll need a few essential items to get started. A computer is your primary tool. Whether it's a laptop or a desktop, ensure it's reliable and capable of handling your workload. Speed and storage are critical factors to consider. A headset is another important piece of equipment, especially if your services include tasks like call handling or video conferencing. It's worth investing in a quality headset with noise cancellation features for clear communication. A printer and scanner may not be essential for everyone, but they're handy to have, especially if your tasks involve document management. These tools can make your life easier, especially when dealing with contracts or important paperwork. Software is another key element of your virtual office. Depending on your services, you might need specific programs. For example, If you're offering writing or editing services, a good word processing software is a must. Similarly, if your tasks involve managing schedules or appointments, a reliable calendar or project management tool can be invaluable. Once you have your equipment and software sorted, it's time to define your services and set your prices. Be clear about what you're offering. Are you focusing on administrative tasks, marketing support, or something else? Make a list of your services and decide how much you'll charge for each. It's important to set competitive yet fair prices. Remember, starting as a virtual assistant might mean accepting smaller, lower-paying jobs initially. This isn't a setback, but a stepping stone towards building experience and positive reviews. And don't forget the importance of marketing your skills. Whether it's through a professional website or social media, make sure potential clients know what you can do. Showcase your portfolio, share testimonials, and highlight your expertise. With your virtual office set up and your services clearly defined, you're ready to start earning as a virtual assistant. All right, you're all set up. Now where do you find work? Well, as a newly minted virtual assistant, it's crucial to understand that Rome wasn't built in a day. You may need to start with small, lower-paying jobs to build experience and garner positive reviews. It's like climbing a ladder. You start at the bottom and work your way up, one rung at a time. Online job listing sites like Upwork are an excellent platform to kickstart your virtual assistant career. These platforms connect freelancers with clients needing tasks done. You can search for virtual assistant opportunities, apply to the ones that resonate with your skills, and voila, you're on your way. However, don't limit yourself to online platforms alone. Remember, your professional network is a goldmine of opportunities. Reach out to former colleagues, bosses, or anyone in your network who might need a virtual assistant. They already know your work ethic and skills, making it easier for them to trust you with tasks. Now, let's talk about building your portfolio. Your portfolio is essentially a showcase of your skills and experiences. It's a tangible proof of what you can bring to the table. As a virtual assistant, your portfolio might include testimonials from previous clients, examples of tasks you've completed, or even case studies of projects you were involved in. Building a strong portfolio is not a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. Every job you take, every task you complete adds up to your portfolio. It's like a living document, constantly evolving and growing as you gain more experience. And remember, variety is the spice of life. Don't shy away from different types of tasks. The more varied your experience is, the more versatile you become as a virtual assistant. It not only enhances your skill set, but also makes you more attractive to potential clients. As you progress, you'll notice a pattern. You'll start attracting more clients and your earnings will increase. It's a domino effect. One good job leads to another, and before you know it, you're not just a virtual assistant, but a sought-after professional in your field. Building a strong portfolio through varied experiences is key to your success as a virtual assistant. And remember, the sky's the limit. So go ahead and make your mark in the dynamic world of virtual assistants. Once you've gained experience, you might want to consider specializing. Diving deep into a specific area like social media management, bookkeeping, editing, or even real estate can set you apart from the crowd. With a specialized skill set, you're not just a jack of all trades, but a master of one, offering expert services in a niche market. This specialization can be a game changer in your virtual assistant career. It not only makes you more attractive to clients seeking specific expertise, but also opens up opportunities for higher pay rates. Speaking of pay, let's talk numbers. On average, virtual assistants can earn between $25 to $75 per hour, depending on their skill set, experience, and specialization. Of course, this can vary widely, but it gives you a ballpark figure. Remember, as a specialist, you're offering something unique, something that not everyone can. That's your ace in the hole. Specialization can help you stand out in the market and potentially increase your earning potential. We hope you found this introduction to becoming a virtual assistant useful. Just to recap, we've talked about how a virtual assistant operates, the variety of tasks they can manage, and how to identify your own strengths and skills that would make you excel in this role. We've also discussed the importance of setting yourself up with the right equipment and mindset, and how to find those first opportunities to build your portfolio and reputation. Remember, starting small is no small feat. It's the first step towards greater things. We've also looked at the potential for specialization and the earning potential in this flexible and increasingly in-demand role. So, are you ready to take the leap into virtual assistance? To gain more information on how to make money online, stay tuned for more content from our series. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.